Hi, I'm Jim D'Amore, son of Jim D'Amore, owner of JDM Engineering here in Freehold, New Jersey. I'm going to do a little bit about the shop today, show you around, see what's going on inside our office, and take you on a tour. This is our call center. Basically, what we do is we receive phone calls here daily, hundreds to sometimes over 1,000 phone calls a day, answering customer questions, taking orders, general tech information. Any questions you have, you can always reach us at our phone line at 732-780-0770. Okay, this is our product wall here. This is the first thing you see when you walk into our front office. We just like to showcase and display some of the items that we do carry here. This is just a very small scale figure of what we do carry in stock. But as you can see, cold air induction systems, exhaust systems, lowering springs. We even have a Saleen supercharger right here on display. We carry all kinds of parts for the 2005 and newer Mustangs. We deal very heavily with Saleen, and we carry a lot of their products. We also carry parts, and we have been for years, for the Lightning and Harley trucks, the 99 and newer Lightning trucks. You see here our electric fan kit, our pulley systems, and our full cold air induction system. Right underneath that is our catback exhaust, a very familiar exhaust system with the Lightning community. That's our Silver Bullet system. Here we've got a 99 Lightning pickup truck that we're working on. We're putting a brand new engine in this truck. The engine's actually based off the engine from the Ford GT supercar. It's all custom. It's got our aluminum short block, set of GT 500 cylinder heads, and we topped it off with a Whipple 3.4 supercharger. It's got all of Cook's custom exhaust on there. We're building that from the headers back. And this truck, when we're finished with it, should be pushing out about 750 horsepower at the tires. Here we have Sean Lacko, our head shop foreman. He's just doing a little bit of work here alongside our Spectre. He's another one of our mechanics. Right here we have a pickup truck for one of our customers, Eddie Goodell. He's got a built engine that we put together in it just this fall. It's got a Whipple supercharger on it. That's the smaller 2.3 liter. However, this combination will be good enough to put Eddie in the mid to low 10-second zone, which that's pretty much his goal. This is also a daily driver truck. Eddie just got out of college, so he's a college student, puts tons of miles on this thing. Here on the ground we have Craig Silverman. He's installing some 2-inch lowering drop shackles on Eddie's truck. It's going to bring the rear end of the truck down about another 2 inches and give him that right stance and better suspension for traction at the drag strip. Craig's been a mechanic with us for about 3 years now. Here we have the DynoJet dyno. It's an in-ground dyno. The rollers were custom made for our specifications. That was pretty much because we do a lot of dynos on pickup trucks, like these Lightning trucks. So they do need a heavier load bearing. This dyno is good to handle 1,500 horsepower. This is our 48-foot enclosed trailer. We bring both of our Saleen race cars and sometimes some pickup trucks out to the racetrack. I'm sure a lot of people have seen this at the Fun Ford events. We traveled the whole Fun Ford series last year. This trailer came to every event, and the wrap design was actually put together between us and Saleen. Jim D'Amore, my father, actually put this design together, and it was wrapped and re-wrapped several times before we came to what we got here today. You'll see this at every race for the 2008 season at Fun Ford events as well. We usually keep anywhere from 20 to 30 plus vehicles in our yard. 03, 04 Cobras, you see a bunch of those up against the fence. Some of the trucks, the Lightning trucks. We have a new Shelby Cobra here. This is Carl Tasca from Tasca Ford's car. We're putting a new engine in it and a bigger supercharger. We have here also Ned Shortsleeve's car. This car has been featured in many magazines and on many websites. It started out its life as a 96 V6 Mustang. Ned put a supercharger on it, all the body exterior panels from Saleen. He did tons of interior work. This car was showed quite a bit and has won quite a few shows and many trophies. The car is here right now basically because we just put a 4.6 liter 3-valve engine from a 2005 and newer Mustang. It's also getting topped off with a Saleen supercharger. Since Ned works for Saleen, he wanted to have their power adder on it. All said and done, Ned should be pushing around 600 horsepower in the streets of California when he gets it back. Car was trailered all the way across the country. You can see from California right on the license plate, just to be brought out here, because even the guys at Saleen know that when we're going to do the work, it's going to turn out perfect. Back here in our chassis shop, we have one of our mechanics, Joe. He's working on a set of our Saleen Speed Lab seats. He's putting together some brackets for them, trying to save as much weight as we can because it's going to go into our race car this year. Okay. This is our race car here. It's a 2007 Saleen Extreme Mustang. The color is a very bright orange. It's called beryllium copper. This is a special Saleen color. This car was also built and numbered by Saleen in Michigan. They've given us the bumper number 09. You can tell that as a special vehicle because bumper numbers 1 through 10 are usually press vehicles or test vehicles or vehicles for very high important people who work for Saleen. This car right now, as you see it without the engine in it, we're getting ready just within a couple of days here to put our new motor in it. It's going to be a 5.4 liter 3-valve topped off with a Saleen supercharger, and it should make about 700 horsepower. If you noticed our blue car from last year, that car went high 9s and made just around 600 horsepower at the tire. So hopefully this car should go in the low 9s to high 8s even. Should be a pretty fun ride for the driver, Paul Gamino from Rochelle in Texas. He's going to be doing all the driving duties this year for us. Okay, well this is what's been going on here at JDM Engineering this week. We'll check back in with you next week here, Film Crew with Jimmy Biggs. And if there's any questions, you can always call us at 732-780-0770.